Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Many people have liver problems, but they do not know about it. Lots of things cause liver damage, and it tends to get worse over time. By the time when you notice symptoms, it may become life-threatening. There are many types of foods which can help to heal your liver. Now let us see what these foods are. 1. Lemon. Lemon water can benefit your liver health. Fresh lemon juice can help protect your liver from alcohol-induced damage. The natural hepatoprotective traits of lemon exhibit a positive impact on the alcoholic-induced fatty liver by bringing down the lipid profile levels. 2. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids can help decrease inflammation found in fatty liver disease. Omega-3 fatty acids can help prevent liver damage, particularly among people who are obese or have a poor diet. However, you should not eat them daily due to its mercury content. It is best to eat them not more than twice a week. 3. Goji Berries. Goji berries have been used to treat liver disease in traditional Chinese medicine. Many research have found that goji berries can help with managing liver health and preventing the progression of alcohol-induced fatty liver disease. They can also help one to combat many types of liver problems. If you want to have healthy liver, you should eat a handful of goji berries daily. 4. Garlic. A mineral present in garlic called selenium can cleanse the liver. It can trigger liver enzymes and naturally flush out the toxins from your body. This superfood can cleanse the arteries and help in getting rid of the liver toxins. The best way to consume garlic is by eating raw garlic, as the fresh garlic contains allicin, and this healthy component gets diluted during the process of cooking. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.